Hello and welcome. This is the DIY kit for the money charm kit that came in the Wolf and Thyme box for the September month for Golden Harvest. Now, this is going to have a little bit more than just what your kit came in. I always like to give you lots of inspiration, so I added a lot of my own beads, as well as some wire that I used in the September Bone and Steel box, and some of my own charms. So what I did add was some cat eye for some good fortune and abundance and protection. I added a copper goddess charm. I added a fairy charm. I added extra coin stacks. I also added lava stones so that I could enrich them with this beautiful golden harvest oil, which you'll see me put in the strings as well. So this also came in the box if you're new to my channel. And the golden harvest oil has lots of amazing things in it, like copper mica and gold and copper foil and harvest oils and luck and prosperity and abundance and all kinds of magic. So I'm just pushing all of that beautiful energy and gold into the strings. And then that also really helps with actually stringing it, because every time I put that little bit of oil, and there I am putting it into the lava beads. So anytime you have lava stone, you can just soak it with essential oil or oils, and it will have aromatherapy properties, as well as the herbal properties of it. And there's my golden hands, and of course, might as well add some moisture in there while I'm at it. And then you can go ahead and create, beautiful things with the lava stones. And then you can soak your strings in there, and then it helps push that bead through when you're pushing it in to the point. So yeah. So I used the oil, and then you'll see my talisman stones there as well. So the talisman stone came in the box, and this month, or September I should say, was the prosperity stone. So it's all about connecting to the divine consciousness, bringing in wealth and abundance, but also being responsible in your own purpose. And then grounding yourself in that with the spiral, and making sure that you are rooted and conscious of, connecting to source, and your responsibility to Mama Earth, because we're all connected. And that's how we receive wealth, is by giving and, creating and bringing that circle around. So I have those there. I have a little candle full of nettle for protection, and I have moss around me for prosperity. And you can do any type of ritual that you want. When you're creating this, you can make a spell, you can do a ritual, you can put your own oils into it, you can add your own charms, additional beads, you can put additional things onto your ring. You can do runes, you can create all sorts of things. So this is just an inspirational video for you to get excited about making your money charm. And it jangles about, so every time it does that, it's supposed to release that vibration so that you are reminded, and it's manifested again to bring you that prosperity and abundance in your life. So you put it on your purse or your keychain or somewhere where it's often used and can jangle, or, create a noise so that it sounds like money is just pouring in. And all of that manifestation and energy is being created for you. So have fun, use whatever you like, pour yourself a glass of tea or put some music on, light a candle, get into the mood, and create that beautiful, abundant space. And at the end of the video, you will hear me show you how mine sounds in my yard, but you'll also hear my crows. And my crows talk to me pretty much every day. They come out and they ask me for their treats. And I talk back to them and I tell them that I'm coming and just to wait for me. And you'll hear me talk crow. And then I go out in the front yard and I give them hazelnuts. And then you'll see a little video of my crow friend. And it always makes Olive whine. My dog, my German Shepherd. So stay tuned to the end so you can see that. And enjoy. I also ended up adding the Yggdrasil tree as well as malachite beads and Tibetan gold and silver beads, as well as another charm of bells. So I added additional ones as well. And as you keep adding onto yours, you'll probably want to add more too.
Above the mountains, over the seas of deep. And if you have time, shine where darkness haunts me. It's in the past, I believe. Nights falling too fast, I know if I'm ready. You're a gleam, it's all I've got, so rise over my path, over my story. Show me which way to go, 'cause I don't know how to be sure. Indian sun, I walked across the mountains, over the hills of green, but I couldn't find you by the horizon. I guess you're beyond my reach. Nights falling too fast, I know if I'm ready. You're a gleam, it's all I've got, so rise over my path, over my story. Show